Auto Mold Drafting. New Auto Mold Drafting command allows users to create drawings for mold in batches. In Mold Drafting Manager, you can select models by layers or by mold type. Check the types needed in the list. Objects of the selected types will be added to the table below. You can pick different templates for different types of objects. Pole direction can also be specified for the drafting projection. You can enable or disable auto dimensions. Click OK. The drawings will be created in batches. As you can see, main dimensions have been added to these drawings. In this way, the time of creating drawings for multiple mold components is largely reduced.